we are from CSIR SERC Chennai, which is like a national research lab, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Here we are showcasing our prototype first time, which we have developed for security personnels. There are many features for this prototype. Actually, this is like a bullet resistant. AK-47 like NIJ level 3 protection it will give to the Jawan, and it is 100% indigenous. All the materials, everything is no imported material is used here, and this can be dismantled and assembled in 1 hour. Okay, and it is thermally very comfortable. Now you are seeing very hot outside, but inside it is very comfortable. It's a no temperature. If it is cool outside, it will be hot. It means it will warm. It will not be. So it is very comfortable or environment giving to the our Jawan. They can do their duty very nicely, and it can be moved also. Right now you have seen that many people are sitting with sandbags or steel kind of cabinets, but they are getting heated when it is in hot sun. So the Jawan will feel that radiation, heat will come. Here it will be minimized. And it is giving like right now, we can see 360 degree all the sides, and Jawan can take view and do his duties. So this is like a economical and very, very useful for the paramilitary forces which are like CISF, CRPF, BSF, any other, those who are involved in the securing our premises or important facilities.
So yeah, Himachal Pradesh, Siachen, Ladakh,
yeah, everywhere, anywhere, it is no problem. It can be used in the hilly regions also, or in the wind, means wherever it is like Ladakh and Leh you are telling, it can be used anywhere. So no problem, because all the materials are okay for that region also.
This is for new exclusively product, new product.
Yeah, it is new product. We have just developed the prototype, and these panels are tested for NIJ level 3 protection, which is international standard. So it comes under like 7.62 caliber projectile. It can resist very well. And another important thing, if suppose these panels are getting some kind of minor damage, it can be repaired and reused again. So that is very important feature. Otherwise, other things will be damaged, then you have to replace it. But here we can reuse it. So next year, the future plans. Yeah, so we have now transferred our technology, all the expertise to the industry, and they are going to produce it. Now they are starting that production. So very shortly, within 6 months, they will set up their plant and then produce it.
Only for the industries.
Industry. It can be anybody. Civilian can also use. Anybody can use. Suppose you want protection for your house, you can put this kind of security guard, and they can be under like a secure environment, and they can do duty.
This is weight or
weight is yeah. So weight is right now there is 1650 kg weight, because this is on wheels. It can move because person has needed to carry. So weight can be further reduced. Actually, we are doing further R&D to bring the weight down. And rate is like very cheap. It's within 2 lakhs, everything will be ready.